Hi guys, welcome to VNT Tech, technical solution to ease your day-to-day work. Today we are going to see another video about Alcatel Lucent OmniPCX Enterprise OXE PABX system. Today we are going to see the different menus which are used in swinst. So I have told you that swinst menu is used for software installation and modification. The default password is softinst. So once you go there, you have two menus. That is, one is easy menu and the other one is expert menu. So the easy menu, you can do a minimum things, so which is already fixed, like when you do something it automatically handles that uh, pre-programmed thing, so you don't have much to do there. For example, if you have a restore database from CPU disk, you can do that. If you have backup OPS files on CPU disk, it will automatically do that. Restore from CPU disk, it will automatically do. You don't have much choice. If you want to stop the telephone or start the telephone, you can do. But when you go to expert menu, you have many options, like you have many menus. For example, package installation. Let us take the first menu, that is package installation. Okay, I will show you the exact how you do a installation of OXE in another video, because it will take a lot of time. But currently I will just introduce you how is this menus work. Okay, when you go to package installation, you can install the package from server, and also you can install a Linux patch. This package is the full software. This is a patch actually. We have in OXE there are three different patches: the main release, a static patch, and a dynamic patch. So what happens is, like, when the system comes, it will be having a main release. But I will show you from the main menu. I can show you what it is. It will be easy for you to understand. Like, you see, the delivery software version is L2300. This is the main delivery version. Now the patch version, that is a static patch, is 27 and dynamic patch is B. Okay, but it is just called as L2327B. So the name will come like L2.300.27.B. So this will be the release patch information. So in that you have to understand that L2300 is the main delivery, L2327 is the static patch, and L2327B is the dynamic patch. So it is named like that. Now the release version. Okay, this is the technical word. So to identify, you will be having release number. So it is release 11.2.1. So now we are again going to swinst, softinst. You are going to the expert menu and one. Here, install package from server means it is the full release. If you have installed Linux patch from server, means it is the static patch. And something else is called install Linux on inactive version from server. This is used when your system is running. Okay, it is a very critical customer, like a hotel customer or a hospital customer. You cannot shut down the system for a long time because it is working 24/7. So what you have to do, an upgrade, you have to do a patch upgrade, and whatever it is. Or what should you do? You can install the Linux on inactive partition of the server. So your system will be running, you will be installing this software in inactive partition. So once the installation is complete, what you can do, you can switch to the inactive partition, and then restore the database in minimum time. Like, maybe it will take 15 to 30 minutes, your system is ready. Otherwise, it will take 2 to 3 hours for the system to make loading and all those things. It will take 2 to 3 hours shutdown time. So I just given you the first menu, package installation. So the second menu, delivery installation, is also related to that. When you are doing a software, then you have to do deliveries also to the system. So I will show you an live installation in other time, which will give you some hands-on experience to you, but it will take that video will take 15 to 20 minutes, so that I will do later. But currently, this is how you do. and I think you understand this one or two menus of swinst. So I will come to 3 4 5 in another video. Currently, thanks for watching. Follow me for more videos related to Alcatel Lucent OXE configuration. Bye bye.